Hi guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought of doing a puppy haul where I'll be sharing everything which I got for this little guy before he joined our family. And he is 7 weeks old toy poodle and we named him Yogi. He is so cute and he is so well behaved. I just love him. Okay, so I got a bunch of stuff from Amazon and some things are from pet store. Everything I'm talking about will be listed in my description box down below, so in case you want to check. Okay, so the first thing I have is Kong toy, and this one is like pretty popular and you can fill the treats in here and your pet will spend hours and hours to get the thing out of it, and this is really nice to increase the playtime of your pet. I have given him peanut butter and banana mixture and this guy absolutely loves it. And I also have a different like smaller size in it. So as you can see, like this one is little bigger and this is smaller. So as of now I'm giving him treats in the smaller one because it's so tiny, and this is like will be useful when he grows up a little. I got him pair of Nyla bones, and this is really nice for puppies because they will be teething, and this one comes handy. And this one is like little softer as compared to this one, which is like little stiff. So I usually give him this one as of now and he absolutely loves it. Okay, so next up I have his toothpaste, and this one is from brand called as Vet's Best, and this one also comes with a toothbrush which looks like this. I have never seen toothbrush like this before. And this one also comes with a finger brush which you can wear like that, and you can get in your pet's mouth because they have like really small mouth, and as of now he doesn't have any teeth, like it's growing, it's like little teeny tiny teeth. So this one is really nice for that. And I never knew about pets toothbrush and toothpaste, and my niece actually told me, so I'm super thankful for her. Next up I have a brush, and this one I got from Amazon, and this one has a little button which you press like that and the bristles come out, so as you can see. So my puppy is a toy poodle and he has like a furry coat, so this will be really nice for him for brushing him to keep his fur all nice and detangled. And I have used on him before and it's like super gentle, and yeah, he doesn't know what I'm doing and he just sits there and I brush him. So yeah, really nice one. Next up I got him these toys, and this one came in set of 3, and this is really nice when they are teething, and Yogi absolutely loves to play with this. So yeah, I got these from Amazon as well. Next up I have a set of 3 toys again, and this one also I got from Amazon. And this little guy loves this one. This one makes a noise like this and he loves to chew this one. And this also came in set of 3, and I got this from Amazon, and this makes noise like ping pong noise like that. And I never knew that this one will be having another purpose. Since Yogi is like really small, for him it's like really hard to catch on this bone if I keep it in floor like that. So what I do is I insert the bone in here in the donut hole, and then I keep it like that, and that way it gets really easy for him to catch the bone. This one is like really nice if your puppy is teething, really helpful. Okay, next up I got him a pet shampoo, and this one is from brand called as Pet Pleasant, and this one is their lavender oatmeal shampoo, and this is tear free, paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free. And also this has a jojoba oil and lavender essential oil which helps to calm them down. And this one smells so good. I have used once on him and I loved it. And this one I got from Amazon, and this one had like really good reviews. That's the reason why I got it, and I'm really happy with this. Next up I got him little gold dog tag which is in bone shaped, and this one says his name in front. And I got this one from Petco. We were in Petco and I saw this gold one and I knew I had to get it. And yeah, the process was really simple. You just select the tag, pay for the tag, and then the machine does all the engraving work. So I absolutely love this one. You can also get from Amazon, but yeah, I feel like it's so cute. Next up I got him the harness and the leash, and this one is also from Amazon. I absolutely love how this one looks like, but unfortunately it didn't fit him. It's like so big for him. So So we got one from Petco. It's like just a plain simple black one, but I'm waiting for him to grow up and fit in this one. I feel like the pattern is so cute. Okay, next up I got him a lot of poop bags, and I bought it in bulk because I know that I'll be needing it. This one is from Amazon Basics, and this came with this little holder thingy where you can hold the poop bag, and this thing you can attach to his leash or your pockets or wherever you want to. And the best part about this one is that it smells so good. And yeah, this one is from Amazon Basics, and definitely recommend this one because it has so many good reviews. It smells so good and it's affordable, so yeah, definitely recommend this. Next up I got him this bowl set. Here you can put the food, here you can put the water, and the best part about this one is that the bowls come out like that, and the base is made up of silicone, so it's really easy to clean. I saw this collar in Petco and I was like, oh my god, I need this because the color is perfect and it will go with his fur so nicely, so I got him this one. Next up I have this bells, and I got this from Petco. You can also get it from Amazon, and this one you can put in your door knob like so, and we use this to potty train him. So every time we go out we ask him to ring the bell like that, and then we give him a treat, so that way he is potty trained and he will let us know whenever he wants to poop or pee, so we'll take him out. So yeah, really handy and a good tool. Next up I got him this clicker thingy which you click like that, and this will let him know that he's doing a good job. Like whenever he does something nice, like he follows the command or like whatever you are saying he does that, you click it like that, so that way he will know that okay, that's a good behavior and I'm gonna get a treat for that. So yeah, really handy and good one for training your puppy. Next up I have pee pads, and this one is also from Amazon, and I got this in bulk because this is like super helpful. If you are getting a puppy, get pee pads. And when we got him we had like 1 or 2 accidents, and after that we taught him to use this, and oh my god, he learned it, he picked it up so quickly, and after that we haven't had any accidents, and yeah, it's super helpful. Next up I got him this play ball, and this one is from Petco, and it's like pretty hard and really helpful when your puppy is teething, and this is designed in such a way that it will not roll all the way to the end. It will remain like wherever you keep it like that, so it's really nice for your puppy to play, to keep him engaged. Next up I have this ear wipes, and this one is from brand called as Pet MD. This one is having aloe vera and eucalyptus in it, and this one has 100 soft wipes, and this is like really nice to wipe the ear of your puppy. Since my puppy is a poodle, they are prone to yeast infection, so this one is like really nice to prevent the yeast infection in the ear. Okay, next up I got him this crate, and this is from brand called as iCrate. Initially I wanted to buy him something like this, but let's be realistic, he's a puppy and he'll be teething really hard, so this one is perfect for it. And this one has like great reviews in Amazon, and this is one of the best selling crates. Comes with a divider, so you can divide crate into 2 parts, so if in case you have 2 dogs you can use it for them. The material is really sturdy, and also this one comes with a plastic tray which goes beneath it, which I'm gonna be showing you guys in a bit. And I have his dog bed, and this one also is from Amazon, and this one fits in the crate perfectly, and this is so soft, so I thought it would be perfect for him. Okay, so this is his crate, and you can close this from here, and this also has an opening that side, but we are not using the other opening, we are using this opening, and I have put the divider over here so that it will be really nice den like environment for him. And I also got the crate cover, and this is also from Amazon, and this you can put it down like that so that it creates like little darkness, and dogs love to be in dark, so yeah, this is really nice for it. His dog bed fits perfectly in the crate, and yeah, as you can see, he absolutely loves sleeping in here. Sometimes he sleeps in kitchen or living room, so I'll just pick him up and put it here, and he'll be fine and he'll be sleeping nicely. And I also have an essential oil diffuser over here, and I diffuse lavender for him. I used the first day when he was here because I read it somewhere that it really calms the puppy down and helps them with separation anxiety. But thankfully for us, he was like really nice on his first day as well. He never cried. He was like really well behaved puppy. But if you're someone who is dealing, like your puppy is whining and making a lot of noises, definitely try diffusing lavender essential oil. It really helps. And I also have a basket over here where I keep his little small stuff like a microfiber cloth for his paws, coconut oil also for his paws. Like after he comes from his walk, we will wash his paws and use coconut oil in that, and this makes his paws super soft. Okay, next up, Babble ball. And I have this animal Babble ball, and this one makes 20 different sounds. Make the sound. Yeah, like that. And this one is really nice to incite the curiosity, but as of now he's super small, so he gets scared of this one, but I believe this will be really nice once he grows up. And as far as his training treats is concerned, I am not giving him treats from outside because I have seen that a lot of treats has artificial coloring, flavoring and all that nasty stuff, so I didn't want to give him that. But I made homemade training puppy treats and he has been absolutely loving it, and I'll be sharing the recipe very soon with you guys. And for his daily food, I am feeding him the food whatever the breeder gave us because he's so tiny, and the breeder suggested to give him the food which she was giving for him because otherwise if I'm changing his food he can get diarrhea, and I obviously don't want that to happen to him. So yeah, I'm using just the food whatever she has given me. And also she recommended this ready to eat item, and this one I got from Costco. This one comes in set of 3 or 4 I believe. This is grain free, and this one is from brand called as Fresh Pet, and this one also has like really great reviews. This is chicken recipe with spinach and potato, and she used to give him, and I'm also giving him, and he absolutely loves this. So what I do is I mix this, like half this and half the palette which the breeder has given me, and I squish things up and give it to him, and he loves it. This is it, you guys. So these are all the stuff which I got for him, and we are first time dog owners. So if you have dog or you have any tips and tricks, please let me know in the comment section down below. That will be really helpful. Yeah, we are learning new things every day, and he definitely is a lot of work but totally worth it. We absolutely love having him around. So before getting him, I used to watch a lot of haul videos, and those videos were super helpful and really helped me decide like what I wanted for him. So I thought of doing my own version, and I really hope this video was helpful. If you are someone who is in the process of getting a puppy, definitely check these products out. I have been using with him from past 2-3 days, and he has been absolutely in love. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to check my Instagram out. I will share a lot of puppy stuff as well there, and I share a lot of fashion, food and lifestyle content. This little guy also has his own Instagram account, and his handle is Yogi the toy, and I'll be leaving his handle over here, so don't forget to check it out. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye.